doing Ryan Martinie's makeup from Mudvayne's Dig. So this is my fourth video for the makeup tutorial. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be doing almost like a devil look. So in the mail, I got these horns and this. Oh my god, this because there was these swimming caps. I don't know, and they were like they look thicker because the bald caps and like the latex ones online, they look really flimsy, and I was reading reviews and it said like really thin. So I just decided to get the swimming one, and I'm gonna use some glue, or I'm gonna try to like just attach it with the string that it came with, and these enchantress horns. And that's my inspo for today. Just show you. Okay, that's Ryan Martinie from Mudvayne. And there he is right there. So that's one of his looks. So it's just like some black. Where was I? Here. Yeah, so it's gonna be more like this today. Just like that. Sorry, the glare is so horrible. See the dark eyes and like the orange eyebrows. So I'm gonna do like that. Plus he has like a beard. Yeah, I'll show you another look he had. So he messed around with like stripes too, red and black stripes. And here's another look he had. And that's, so he has his beard. It's like bright orange. I'm gonna do like a felt one, like his. And for the hair, I'm not gonna do any hair. I'm just gonna do the devil horns with the bald cap thing. And that's another. It has like a more of a bug in his beard, and I think everyone looks pretty cool in this one. And he had like totally like his face is like completely dark. And he did another one here. It looks pretty cool. I like the contrast with the orange. So he goes like from like light orange to like dark orange, and then there he made it really spiky at the bottom. And then he did two double, one half black, one half red. I want to show you Chad. That's what I want to do. My next makeup, maybe like his recent stuff. Okay, and then here's another one of Ryan, and he's got like huge pants, like big 90s pants. I was gonna buy a pair, but every time I even see the pair of pants, it's just too much fabric. I can't buy like huge pants. I don't have enough space, but I don't know. I have like track pants or like slush pants that work the same, but he's always topless. So if I was gonna do his look, I know I can't be topless all the time, so I'm gonna just use like a nude shirt. And yeah, so there he is, just rocking out. It's half and half. And there's the bag, and you can see Chad with the clown, and he's got like his top hat, and then he's playing there. Ryan. And then he's like all red on one side. It looks almost like Freddy Krueger. Okay, there's clown. Or not clown, Chad. He's like one of those old clowns, like, and that's like his carved face. It's real and carved in. Down. And then another close up. I know, that'd be fun with like liquid latex. So that's my inspo. So I'm gonna get all set up. I'm gonna try to make this video not too long like my other one. I'm just gonna fast forward and skip through some things. And yeah. So in a few moments I'm just gonna get myself dolled up. Alright, so I put this on. I'm bald now. The next step is finding a way to put these on. Yeah. There's like some crazy directions or instructions. I don't know. They're hard to understand. That's what they look like. And I was reading the reviews online and someone said it's not a rose, it's a carnation, because they described it as being a rose. But I think it looks kind of rose-ish, and there's like black lace and like some spots. I'd be like a magician to understand these knots and stuff. Oh my god. It's just like adjust it. Or I just glue. So I'm gonna use this maybe if you can't understand these weird knots. Okay. I don't know if you can see them. Actually, they kind of fit without the glue. I'm gonna maybe not use the glue because this is messy stuff. And like maybe if you were gonna go to the concert or like meet him or something, use this glue. But it's just for home, so I'm gonna use the string. I didn't really follow the instructions. I kind of just did it, but it sticks really well on the latex cap. I know it's like all squeaky. Feels weird, but it's like in place. So next step, I use this crayon, body crayon. I'm gonna cover my eye. I didn't really wipe my makeup off, but I didn't bother today because I was like, if I'm gonna do makeup, just leave it on. So I'm gonna do just body crayon this and nose and just blend it. Stick I'm gonna use from the Black Swan. Remember the kit I got? Yeah, this one. I didn't end up using some of the things. Alright, it's got my lipstick on. There's his. So next thing I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna use the Revolution Color Book 01. This one was a shadow palette, and it had like the shimmer and like matte. I'm gonna use this one to do some of the dusting because he had like his face. Including the ball cap area up here. Well, I think he actually is bald. I don't think he has a ball cap, but I'm gonna have to kind of dust a little bit to blend it. It's all concentrated, so I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it this part white to try to make the transition from the skin cap from there to look a bit more realistic. I'm just gonna use this palette I got, this white. This is like this old one. Had it from a few other face paints. I just want to use it up. I forget which one I got it from. But I'm gonna use the white here, and I just need a sponge. I'm still loving these sponges, the black ones. So let's see if I could make it white. So I don't have any I'm looking devilish. I don't have any like white powder, and I don't want to use like muck all this up with so I have cornstarch. I'm gonna use this is what like some of the Norwegian metal people, because dead people, like you just cover them with some cornstarch to give them like that bright appearance or white appearance. So I'm gonna do this old trick. It's unorthodox, but like this is what some metal. It's organic, like baby powder. Because baby powder, I need to get some, but maybe this is better for people. So just take a little. I haven't done this before. It's my first time using it. I'm just gonna use one of these little like. It's kind of messy. But it doesn't blending. No, I need more powder. It's like cornstarch, but it's messy. This is cornstarch, guys. Don't worry, it's not. I'm just kind of desperate. I don't want to make a mess. Yeah, I need more mirrors. Code. Do I look dirty like him yet? Greasy. Okay, so I'm gonna get these to splatter out of it. Like, maybe with the sponge, it was good at making things kind of blend. So like, dig every day. This is hard. They do such a great job, these guys. Like, they're brilliant. Mudvayne is awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep blending. Just gonna use what's left on this mirror. Crap. Alright, so I'm gonna use the glue, this like lash glue I got. Let's see if it's gonna work. And And how this glue works is like it has to get dry a little bit. Use a little bit of tape to keep the beard on, but the eyebrows are staying on, so this is kind of what it looks like. So it's basically done. And yeah, so dig. So I'm going to do some karaoke, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. And I have a funny, kind of funny, but interesting story. My fiance, he actually got bass lessons before one of Mudvayne's shows when he was a kid. Like he went to Mudvayne's concert, and he actually got bass lessons from Ryan Martinie. So that's pretty cool. And so I kind of dedicate this video to my fiance. Just so this makeup tutorial, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. And yeah, I think next I'm gonna be doing System of a Down. So. Ever feel like dying? Ever feel alone? Ever feel like crying? Like a lost child in the store? Ever feel like life pushing, shoving you away? Ever feel like breaking down like a funeral in the rain? Feels like I'm slipping away. Stand on the corner and scream with me. A body full of empty, a head that's full of rage. Better believe it. Stand in the closet and scream with me. A mind that's like fire, driven by the pain. Better believe it. Ever feel like lying down inside a grave? Listen to the earline of a buyer of the hay. Ever dance beside the devil, twist the barrel of the gauge? Ever pull the trigger, the light begins to fade. Feels like I'm slipping away. Stand in the corner and scream with me. Body full of empty, a head that's full of rage. Better believe it. Stand in the closet and scream with me. Mind that's like fire,